back to another video of transforming robots. And today we have transforming robots from AliExpress in this box. Let me show you what we have. First robot.
Ah, blue one.
Yeah.
Looks good. Alright. Have more, right?
Second robot.
Ah. Oh, look nice.
Yeah.
Alright.
Third robot.
The red one.
Yeah.
Cool. You have more?
And lastly,
Oh, the big one.
yeah. Fifth robot.
Alright.
In this box, there are 4 robots. Each one has instructions of how to transform them. For this video, we're going to do this one first.
Ah, red robot.
How it's gonna look like?
It's gonna be good.
Yeah. Yeah. Get it. Yeah, look at it.
Alright, wow.
Whoa.
Look
So
nice.
cool. There are 2 pieces, the robot and the gun. Let's put the gun on so we have the complete robot.
Alright. Where to put it?
You put it on his hand over here. See? There's a hole right here.
Oh, yes.
And there's a stick right here.
Alright.
So let's put it in. And done. So now we're gonna stand him up and see what he looks like before we transform him into a truck. Okay, spread the legs
Yes.
and straighten him up.
Stand up.
And his arms.
With the big gun, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
And now let's look.
Oh, so cool.
Yeah.
I like the big gun a lot.
Yeah. Hey, you're pointing at me.
Don't shoot, don't shoot. Wow.
Hey. Yeah. Pew, 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 pew.
He is handsome.
Yeah, and he looks cool.
Yes. And the wheels move too, right?
Yeah, look. 1, 2,
Ah,
both.
nice. And I like the color.
Yeah.
Yeah, from top to bottom, he looks really good.
Yeah.
Even the feet.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I like the big guns a lot.
Yeah. And look, it has 2.
Yes, too powerful, right?
Yep.
Oh, don't shoot me. Can you see his back?
Yeah.
Turn around, please.
Okay.
Are those wings?
Yeah.
Alright, so that means he can fly, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, alright. Now we're gonna transform him into a truck.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let the transformation begin. First step, take the gun out. So then push this.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Now go over here. And now, time for the robot.
Yes. Alright.
So first, open his chest up. There.
Ah,
Now you push his head down.
alright.
Push it back up. So then, you twist the hand like this. Hold down. And so put this hole right here into this stick.
Alright.
Yeah. There. Lift this. And then do the same thing on the other side.
Okay.
So once again, twist the fist. Put it down. Hold. There. And then lift this up.
Good.
And then you lift the 2 arms up. And there's like this stick over here.
Ah, alright.
And there's this hole over here.
Okay.
So once again, you put them and connect. There.
Very good.
Yep. So then, flip it and do the wings. Up. And then the feet.
Oh, that's the front of the truck.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
So then, push it back.
That's the roof of the truck.
Yeah.
Right. Good.
There. And then do the same thing with the other one.
Yes.
And push it back. Same.
Yes.
And then you can...
Ah,
There.
nice.
So now, I'm going to connect the front. So then, there.
All right.
This. You put the legs down.
All the way down, right?
Yep. And
Oh, good.
yeah. So now, let's put the hook on.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Fire truck.
This is the truck. Very good.
Yeah.
Can he run?
Hey, look.
All right. He looks nice.
Yeah.
All right. Can you turn him around?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. He looks so cool.
Yes.
So now, let's transform him back to a robot.
All right.
Yep. Take this off. Now put it back to a gun.
Yeah, that's easy.
Yep. And then push the legs back down. There. So then you unbox the front again.
Ah, right.
Separate, come on.
Oh. It came out.
Yep. Up. So then you take the roof off.
Oh, that's the feet, right?
Yeah. Then same thing. The
The other
second
side.
foot. Yeah. Slide it like this.
Ah.
Same thing with the other one.
All right.
Then push these.
Ah, all right.
Yeah. Then this part.
Oh, yes.
And then in there.
Ah, nice.
And this.
Oh, nice.
Seem familiar?
Yes, that's a robot.
Push these down. So then you pull the hand and the arm,
All right.
and then you do the same thing with the other arm.
Yes.
Yes. So hand, then arm.
All right.
Yep. And there. So then,
The head.
yeah. Open it up. Come on, open.
Come up, come up.
Come on, Ed. You open the head
Oh.
and you close it. And there he is back again. So now we're going to put his gun back on. And done.
All right, welcome back.
Hey, I'm back.
All right, so cool, right?
Yeah, I'm back better than ever. I was a truck and now I'm back. So that's that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell so you never miss another video. Bye! And remember, we still have 3 more transforming robots. Wow. This one looks colorful.
That is a big one, right?
Yeah, look. Oh, brown and blue.
We can open them in the next videos.
Yep. Bye!
Bye everyone.
Yep. See you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.